Our group chooses SDG 14, which is Life Below Water. Goal 14 is about conserving and sustainably using the ocean, seas, and marine resources. Healthy ocean and sea are essential to human existence and life on Earth. The rainwater, drinking water, weather, climate, coastline, much of our food, and even the oxygen in the air we breathe is ultimately provided and regulated by the sea. Throughout history, ocean and seas have been vital conduits for trade and transportation.
Now we discuss the identified problem around the residential area. This video shows footage of the polluted river in the Bukit Beruang area. As we can see, the river water turns dark because of the oil released from the nearby restaurants. This footage shows the polluted dish at Aikro residential area. This dish was contaminated by plastic, bio, and chemical waste. The waste is dumped by the nearby residents, factory, and restaurants. This video also shows the polluted river in the Bukit Beruang area. This river is polluted with rubbish such as plastic bags, bottles, and other bio-waste. Now we discuss the primary causes of the state problems. As we can see in the video, a person is throwing the waste materials such as rubbish, plastic, and other solid waste into the river. Example of illegal rubbish throwing case in Malaysia. Illegal disposal from factories such as releasing chemicals, toxins, and heavy metals into the water are also one of the main causes of water pollution.
Next, we move on to the effect of the discussed problem. Firstly, the released chemical substance into the water can cause death to aquatic life. Secondly, the overwhelming rubbish can cause stuff in the ditch and may induce natural disasters such as flash floods. Moreover, it can give negative impact on animals and marine life. Improperly dumped waste, particularly plastic, is a major hazard to animal and marine life. Animals can become entangled in plastic waste or mistake it for food, resulting in injury and death. These toxic compounds can also reproductive problems, development of defect, and population reduction in animal life. Besides chemical waste, plastic also can be released dangerous chemical substances that pollute the water more severely. This video illustrates the chemical release from plastic waste if it is thrown into fresh water. Furthermore, water pollution can harm human health if mistakenly consumed pollute water or marine life. The health diseases include diarrhea, vomiting, typhoid, hepatitis, and so on.
Let's continue with the engineering solution for the problems. There are a few important engineering solutions to overcome the problems. The first solution is to implement chemical treatment process. Chemical treatment is frequently used to remove particular harmful substances. This is to guarantee that the released water satisfies certain quality criteria. This treatment procedure lowers the concentration of dangerous compounds, toxins, and pollutants. To confirm the effectiveness of the treatment and compliance with the regulatory standard, a number of indicators are monitored including pH, humidity, dissolved oxygen, neutrino level, and particular chemical concentration. The next solution is the utilization of a vacuum rubbish collector. This system automatically sucks rubbish and oil floating on the water surface into like a vacuum cleaner. There are also many new technological innovations that have been already implemented all around the world to collect rubbish from the ocean. This is one of the technological called mobile skimmer. This machinery is used to pull massive amounts of plastic from the ocean in a short period of time. Another solution is use a recyclable system. A proper recycling system is an effective way to gather, classify, process, and reuse recyclable materials. In the other word, the system collects recyclable waste from the water and turn it into a new goods. The collected waste will be compressed into pellets and delivered to manufacturers who utilize them as a raw material to create new products. The video shows the graphical representation of the rubbish pellets transformed into various products such as bottles, clothes, furniture, pipes, and so on. In order to increase the effectiveness of the recycling system, we need to segregate the rubbish according to its type before throwing it into the rubbish bin. This video shows the segregation of different types of rubbish at Aydin, Melaka.
Let's discuss the non-engineering solution to overcome the problems. Firstly, collecting trash together is an essential step in cleaning up an area and making a positive impact on the environment. The cleaning process might be at a ditch, beach, riverbank, lake, or any other place where garbage is an issue. We can engage with anyone in the neighborhood or local community who will be interested in helping with the cleaning activity. The NGOs should take the initiative to organize and collaborate with the local community to conduct these gotong royong activities. Moreover, we can arrange a campaign or awareness program if any company pollutes the environment, such as releasing waste into water. This step can prevent the company from performing this prohibited activity again. Apart from that, education can raise awareness of water pollution among children. This education can help them to learn and understand the consequences of actions that can harm the environment. This education includes teaching the children about the causes, effects, and problems of the water pollution on humans and marine life. The next non-engineering solution is the enforcement of laws and rules. Strengthening the laws such as increasing the fine amount will help the government to tackle the problems. For example, penalize the individual or the companies that breach the laws with a fine or jail sentence or other suitable penalties. The government also can revoke the company license as a warning to that company. Lastly, self-responsibility is also a very crucial element that prevents water pollution problems. As a responsible human being, we must take the initiative to clean up our surrounding areas to ensure that the trash not entering into the water surface. Reducing the usage of plastic is also one of the huge steps in controlling the water pollution. Instead of plastic, we can bring along biodegradable material bags or reusable bags during our shopping.
To sum up, we can conclude that the ocean feed us, regulate our climate, and generate most of the oxygen we breathe. Oceans are also home to sea otters, dolphins, whales, corals, and many other living creatures. It also serves as the foundation for much of the world's economy, supporting sectors from tourism to fisheries to international shipping. Perhaps this is the most important reason to protect the ocean, to preserve the biodiversity of the earth.